Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a short video of a KENWOOD DMX7525DABS installed into a Vauxhall Mokka. Here we are, you can see I've used all the ACV fitting trim, so all the fascia. This unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got all the standard Apple CarPlay features. Press the home button there. You've got all the different sources here: radio, Bluetooth audio, Android Auto. That's wireless and wired. You've also got the genuine USB working in the center console there, connected up to the KENWOOD unit. Also, all your steering wheel controls still work, so volume up and down, forward and back track and source. We've also got a reverse camera linked up to this, so we'll do that, and there we are, although the boot's open. You've got reverse camera there. If you'd like to have this done in your car, in your Mokka, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.